Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to factor out and also expand quadratic equations or polynomials and any equation of that sort. So first, what we want to do is import our package. So in this case, we're going to use Sympy, so we import Sympy here. Afterwards, we have to do this, which is a very important step, where we set x equals to Sympy.symbols x. And the reason we do this is that in our equations, right, it's going to be x squared plus 2x, something like that, or x squared plus this and that. So it's going to be x, right? We're using x as the variable. And in Python, you have to set the variables equals to something, because if you just use x, then Python won't recognize it and will assume it's nothing, because x has to equals to something. And in this case, we set x to the letter x, which is kind of funny, but here, if I go here, and let's say I put x plus 1, right, and I print x plus 1, if I run this, look, name x is not defined, meaning the variable is not defined. But if I do what I did previously, import Sympy first, then afterwards, here I did x equals to Sympy.symbols x. Then I print here, x plus 1 will pop up, because in this case, we've set the variable x to the letter x. So it's kind of funny, but I hope you get it. And anyhow, with that, we can write down our equation now, the equation we're going to solve for. And the equation that I chose is f equals to x squared minus 2x minus 15. So a typical quadratic equation. And to factor this, all we have to do is just print Sympy dot factor f. So f referring to the equation here, which is f. We run that, and there we get the factor of this equation, which is x minus 5 and x plus 3. And if you multiply these together, then you get this. And to test that, we can actually expand the results here. So we factored out this here, and now we can expand the results. So we do the same thing. We set x equals to Sympy.symbols x. Then we start our equation. So f equals to x minus 5 times x plus 3, which I got from here, right? And I just print Sympy dot expand. This time not factor, but expand f. I run that, and there, right? I get the same exact equation here, x squared minus 2x minus 15. So that's it for this video. Thank you for listening.